Namaste. I'm Preethaji, co-founder of the Oneness Movement, along with my husband Sri Krishnaji. We come from a lineage of enlightened masters who have been tirelessly working to create a better world. We have helped millions move from inner stress and lack to external abundance, an abundance of love, an abundance of wealth, an abundance of well-being. And we wanted to bring these gifts to you and to your loved ones, to your colleagues and your friends, wherever you may be in the world. Join us at the free 3-day Oneness Global Virtual Summit, July 18th through 20th of 2025. We're offering a 3-hour workshop online for 3 consecutive days. On the 18th of July, breaking your patterns of stress. On the 19th of July, manifesting love abundance. And the 20th of July, creating wealth abundance. Tens of thousands of people will be joining this global online event from Americas, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and New Zealand, absolutely free of any cost. Here is something we want you to think about. Are there friends, colleagues, and family who you think need these shifts in their life? If yes, please invite them to join this event on dissolving stress, creating abundance, from wherever they are in the world, absolutely free of any financial cost to them. This would be the best gift you could give them.